Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on Koniago Engineering. Today we will continue course about Solidworks motion study. This course reference from this book. In this video we will study about Solidworks motion analysis. And if you like my machine, you can buy my machine concept and Lynk ID, link in description. Without wasting time, let's start it. Now we will find angular kinetic energy in this part, use Solidworks. And we will compare with manual calculate. We have the calculate in this book. See, the material is plain carbon steel. The mass is 6.12 kg. Radius is 0.05 meter and the height is 0.1 meter. The angular speed is 100 rpm. We will find the inertial moment. Use this formula: a half time m time radius square. With this formula, we find the inertia is 0.00765 kg/meter square. And next, we find the angular speed. In this book, we find the angular speed is 105 radian per second. So the kinetic energy in calculate is 42 joule. With formula is a half time inertia time angular speed square. And now we will find the angular kinetic energy. Use Solidworks. Go to Solidworks add-ins. Active Solidworks motion, and now go to motion study. In this animation, change to motion analysis, and now active motor. Click this phase. Make the motor speed is 100 rpm and click OK. Now calculate. See? And after that, insert plot result like this. The result parameter make this momentum energy power, and this make angular kinetic energy. And click this phase and click OK. See, you can see the angular kinetic energy is 42. See? And this is time from 0 to 5 seconds. The angular kinetic energy is 42. Same like the calculate. Result like this. See? I think this is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.